Thursday was the last day before the August political contest. President Uhuru Kenyatta led the country in marking 54 years of self-determination on a day nationalism was expected to take center stage and national cohesion to dominate headlines. But one act of conspicuous omission by the head of state and his deputy has left the country with a very public argument.
Nilisikia kwa TV watu wakisema it's a national day, you cannot allow some other people to talk. That is nonsense. National day is for nationalists. Raila Odinga is a nationalist, whether he's in the opposition or in the government.
The Jubilee government has already decided to abrogate the constitution and turn Madaraka Day into a party issue.
Critics of President Kenyatta's move claim Thursday's move was well choreographed to humiliate Raila Odinga at the expense of national cohesion. The NASA leader was seated right behind the deputy president.
Raila Odinga is an institution. When you are snubbing him, it's not Raila Odinga you are snubbing. You are snubbing more than half of the country, if I could put it that way. With regard to national cohesion, national unity, national integration, the president, the government failed that test.
The leader of majority in the National Assembly, Eden Duale, disagrees. In fact, he says nothing was out of order.
It's not a rally. It's not a funeral. It's not a wedding. It is a national day or national celebration day.
What happened was proper. Raila Odinga was properly recognized. That's why he was given a special invitation to sit with other big dignitaries, and he did. And commend him for showing up.
Those angered by Thursday's turn of events are pointing at many moments that symbolized a diversion from the national event it ought to have been.
We also had a very important game yesterday, whereby we had Gor Mahia versus Nyeri combined. And I think maybe Raila had come to watch that game. So we should not raise so many issues about it. I think he was comfortable in watching the match between Gor Mahia and Nyeri combined.
That is basically to say that this was our Mount Kenya community event. It was a village celebration, and we did not expect anybody from outside central Kenya to be here. That MP is asking the rest of Kenya, what were you doing here? This was our occasion.
Of course, being a political year, there are people who are looking for political mileage. And I guess some of the people who may be claiming what you're saying are already hostile to the president anyway. So they're just looking for small excuses. Not that they don't want to look at the picture as it should be. So we do have that. And it is expected that there will be more of that.
The debate, it appears, will take a little longer. Enoch Sikolia, NTV.